In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change cover photo on Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then hit Add Menu icon, and that's where we need first off to switch our main profile to a page. We can hit at this arrow down icon that shows us all the pages. As you can see, I got my main profile and 4 pages, and I can switch to any page simply by tapping on it. Once you did that, hit at that profile page icon, and as you can see, I have already set cover photo for that page, and in order to change it, I can just tap on it. That gives us that options. We can see cover photo, so we can just open it up. We can use avatar cover photo, we can upload photo from our device, we can select photo on Facebook, or we can create a collage. So let me hit add upload photo, and that opens up my camera roll. I can now scroll down and select any photo, and after that I can also drag it up or down to move, and once I like the result, I can hit add save. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.